have been contacted by various activists to hold a convention of activists of all Goa. The reason is, generally all these activists go and fight for individual causes. Some people fight in Boma, some people fight in Porvori in that temple case, some fight in Belsound, some fight here and some fight there. And then they disappear. So the purpose is to create a union of all activists, so that wherever there is an issue, all the activists work together concertedly to see that as a group we can fight, and not just go home after one issue is over. If there are issues concerning Goa, everybody will get together and stand up and raise the issue. And maybe in due course, see, we have seen how Captain Viriatu started as an activist, and he earned goodwill, and he landed in Parliament. So that way, if there are good activists, this should be an opportunity for them to contest and win election. On my part, I make it clear that I will not be contesting any election, because it should not be read that I am trying to doing this to come back into politics. No, I have no plans to contest elections. But I think there is need to defeat the BJP this time, and it can only be done if everybody works together. And we have no faith that the Congress will actually behave, in the sense that what they do is, last moment, with a few days to go, they announce their tickets and create a mess. And often it is said they sell their tickets. This time we are determined to see that all of us will organize in every constituency, and we'll get the workers to say, Baba, these are the candidates. If the Congress wants, let them fill them. But if the Congress sells tickets and brings someone from High Command who is not in tune with the local people, we may oppose such a candidate. We are clear on that. So this convention may be called shortly, because many of us are working on it, and we may soon call a convention.
Doctor, as you say that you are not interested in
No, I am
elections.
not. No.
But what about your political party, original
See,
force?
what
Where
happens-
does it stand?
No,
in the
UGTP right now is defunct. We are not a functional party anymore. It is defunct.
So you all don't want to take the party in the
see,
fray
what-
in the
what
coming
is
elections?
What is happening now? If now there already is Goa Forward Party. There already is RG. There already is UP. Already so many parties. So personally, I would feel that there should be one versus one, largely, versus the BJP. We joining in the fray would add more to it. But it would be see, we are holding convention of activists, and we will then, the activists will decide. I decide nothing. They will decide whether they need to go ahead with a new party. If they decide, maybe they can form a party or revive UGDP. It is up to them. But I have nothing to say on that. But my basic issue is that it should be a straight fight with BJP. And if we can do that, BJP will lose, as happened in the South Goa Parliament.
So BJP फायट दिवपा खंयची पार्टी बरी आसा दिसता तुमकां?
I don't know which party. As of now, no party is even functional in Goa, other than BJP. The Congress is hardly there. Most of the parties are non-existent. To accept proposals coming from various workers, from various activists, then we may have to look for an alternative. So it doesn't mean that we will back the Congress just because we back them for the Lok Sabha election. We will give the Congress our demands. Our first demand, at least from my point of view, would be candidates must be announced at least 3 to 6 months in advance.
सो गोंयकारांक ह्या फावटी नवी पार्टी पळोवपाक मेळटली?
I don't know. That is for activists to decide. I can't decide. I am deciding nothing.
So, Doctor, you firmly believe that it has to be one versus one.
One versus one, Congress, BJP doesn't stand a chance. In a multi-corner contest, they stand a chance.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.